1. Ice is less dense than liquid water, which is why it floats on top of your drink. But what's even crazier is that this property is super rare in nature. Most substances contract and become denser when they freeze. This unusual behavior is due to the way water molecules arrange themselves in a crystal lattice structure as they freeze. It's what makes icebergs float and lakes freeze from the top down. 2. Ice has a whopping 18 different crystal forms, each with its own unique properties and characteristics, and scientists are still discovering new ones. Some of these forms are only stable at extremely high pressures, like those found deep within the Earth's crust, while others can be created in laboratory settings. The diversity of ice crystal forms is what makes snowflakes so incredibly varied and beautiful. 3. The largest ice crystal ever recorded was over 3 feet long and weighed over 100 pounds, and it was found in a cave in Alaska. This massive crystal was a type of ice called glacial ice that forms when snow is compressed over thousands of years, and it's incredibly rare to find crystals this large and intact. The crystal was so big that it had to be extracted from the cave in pieces. For ice can be blue, and it's not just because of the way it reflects light. Some types of ice, like glacier ice, actually have a blue pigment due to the presence of tiny air bubbles. When light enters the ice, it scatters off these bubbles and gives the ice a blue appearance, which is why some glaciers appear blue or turquoise. This effect is especially pronounced in areas where the ice is under a lot of pressure. 5. There's a type of ice that's called black ice because it's so dense and transparent that it appears black, and it's formed when super cold water droplets freeze onto a surface. Black ice is incredibly slippery and can be almost invisible, which makes it a major hazard on roads and sidewalks during the winter months. It's also really rare, because the conditions have to be just right for it to form. The air has to be cold enough, and the surface has to be smooth enough, for the water droplets to freeze in this unique way.